live! Long live! Long live! Tribal unity, long live! Long live! Long live! Jai Qatar Hai Noma! Hayalo! Hayalo! 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 Jai Qatar Hai Prek Bawa Nangma! Orang! Orang! Jai Qatar Hai Prek Bawa Nangma! Orang! Orang! Jai Qatar Hai Prek Bawa Nangma! Orang! Orang! Hai Prek Lolati! Hai Prek Lolati! Hai Prek Lolati! No Namaste! No Namaste! No Namaste!
Chale janyu sidaga jogani request second dia. Chengo BJP सरकार इलिंगों जितेnya लोगा APSL CEO देशों लगे जिया regional party सगाशी comparing गाले अगर हम जो सिनी बिया चेंगो APSL CEO सी BJP a difference दे या जो थे यो BJP वे यो national party so हिले यो RSS wing वे यो religious extremists Siwon to themnya Indian constitution against violate tenil de asige tengo religious saparango Christian Hindu Muslim kacaca religious kacaca kasih lidanya BJP dan RSS ni wingnya alita nga santai jati li kemenya ayen te APSL si different day te APSL si six schedule ka biang tribal unity chango ka chamega jibenya dan tengo six schedule kar biang long yang got six schedule kar tribal area hills people gen sinyon te Hilay of Karbi, Rengma, such a difference day. They are all tribals. Sinyo brotherhood. Tete, Jobin Hoyo, the APSL Sika Nerelo. Go Jome Lemit of platform coming at Donjon, go Primetalation to Central Gibeon, go six schedule right Sedia. Go she should write new, she go stand from tell them there. She get you he won election, he won parliamentary election ga, Jenga Sar Jaga Targa. He bought Lopio, Ngon Thorum, Safeguard Hello, Rongon tribe, Safeguard Hello Nangenu, Ngon land, Safeguard Hello Nangenu, Ngon Loju his Safeguard Hello Nangenu, he led to APSLC, he got a candidate player, Jaga IS retire. So he get IS retire official station, DC, Metro City New, Ganga side, DC station to Ataju, Ataju Shao, the gate near on tribal new one, the uplift temple. Chakashing on tribal general platform coming peace and harmony. Jango hello Ali message losing to rain manu public at request section Tengon rain marker platform akamiga peace and harmony he telon and he platform launch joga symbol joswenga symbol josen he lega ko he dekang lego has the ruling government policy ali the ruling government policy ka he logo launch false propaganda lo sio the APSL cinema steering day jo mis propaganda thebinyo ay chim he moe he le lo sisi ka APSL cinema ha saneng ro konyon thanyom mis propaganda thebinyo sigenyo ke silo sin jongo ga kasabu lo sisi symbol thesiginyo sigenyo gonga request ke bole theka janyu after tribal job to go nera tribal unity ga nerolo chaleng go request thesi ila a message agom beo APSL sigom beo rengma publica request nega gonga encouragement thesiginyo
tangkam mahapan kali social welfare scheme lagi BJP scheme kali BJP latung kupiak posik ke pan kecong pura losi yang tuan orang tu umur sing tisotu nel tum citerak ta cicin sota mita kepan nil tum ke kar biak ke tum ingo ke tum ludet londet tu ton nal tum kemat hape no advantage ke enma kupiak somjal kupiak litar lo il tum mat hape meneng jinon
longji awareness level anke le lang ka biang long ke available ni lika singa tengke is west ka constituency in ka non ke revision kiru itu anfulo ni tomake especially non bangke and skills to focus lo lapen and skills tame atmi hata itu media long ka long lo ada jime leaders itu kan Kongres pendalam 100% support loh, lapen Aam Aadmi Party pendalam hadak nang cerap loh, lapen Arlo pen ke Kongres itu hadak nang Atima ladak Karbiang Long pen latum candidate dukung masih directly open di bangsa kami Arlo lapen salah independent candidate kita utang di masa candidate do hadak tanya lang asas kami alang kami Arlo pen cerap loh. Kado kawe tribal supporter sar mangke vote tiget ko kasi latum tiget